This is not just an ordinary docking station. It's a multifunctional assistant tailored for your devices. Supporting 4K AHA 60Hz HDMI output, it effortlessly mirrors your phone to the TV, delivering an immersive big-screen viewing experience. It also connects easily to gaming consoles, allowing you to enjoy high-quality, smooth gaming entertainment. Built-in driver, easy installation, simplifying every operation. The unique DIY button function is the core highlight of this docking station, supporting customizable quick action, one-touch HDMI control, and personalized volume adjustments, enhancing work efficiency. The 100W Type-C PD port supports charging while multitasking, while the SD and TF card reader supports up to 1 TB of storage, making file management easier. With 2 USB 3.1 ports, enjoy ultra-fast data transfer. This DIY button multifunctional docking station condenses infinite possibilities into the palm of your hand.